Pull and flow come into the Lean system first as principles to be learned via problem solving. The connections to level 1 are directly back to 6S and problem solving. Use your 6S audit to surface new pull and flow problems. Don't miss the connection to foundations though. As you add signals and standards, don't forget to apply the foundations to them. Make your signal for replenishment visual. Make sure the signal has responsibilities assigned. Establish checks to make sure there's a PDCA cycle wrapped around the signal. If you've improved process proximity, use the foundations to make it obvious when the process isn't flowing. If you've established limits on work in process inventory, create parking areas for it that are designed for exactly the quantity allowed. As you use pull and flow to view your processes, remember that we're really aiming at change on the operational side that moves us to just-in-time and high-value production. In Level 2, we've learned about teamwork. Ono was quick to point out that there is a relationship between just-in-time and stopping when a problem happens, or what he calls automation. He said that the latter depended on the skill of the individual player to respond to a problem, the abnormal condition. The former depends on the ability of the team to work together to get back to normal conditions, what we're calling target conditions. Your job in this mix is to develop your individuals to respond and contain and capture the beginning of the problem so you can lead the team to solve the problem and get back on target. In Level 2, we'll be adding something called and-on-one, which is the beginning of getting a call for help in response to a problem or abnormal or non-target condition. It's the beginning of automation in Toyota terms. We've introduced Problem Solving 2, which will help you as you study processes and their problems. You'll adjust your leader standard work and leadership rounding to reflect these additional components. Both levels 1 and 2 continue to transform the organizational culture by working at the daily experience level and pointing us to focused improvement. It's focused by our analysis of our priorities and its improvement as we apply new degrees of problem solving to our biggest barriers.